What's going on, guys? This is my first video where I'm actually talking, and I did not do an intro in the beginning of the video, so I'm going to just edit this in. All right. So this is the way you get around the toll. Exit over here, and then you exit the first exit into the South Bronx. So we're gonna see the South Bronx. There it is. So I think the census said, not the census, it's based on census data that this is the poorest congressional district in the country, in the whole country, in the whole U.S. Which is crazy. Which, I mean, like, you kind of expect that from a place where it's all public housing. Like, almost all of it is public housing. Either buildings like those, the brown buildings that you see there, or other types of housing that's subsidized. Like this building here, it's probably subsidized. These buildings here, you know, somebody owns it, there's a landlord that owns it, but it's subsidized. And the roads here kind of make it obvious that, you know, yeah, they're not too good. Jeez, that was a crater. Nah, that was legitimately a crater. There's a lot of those. And driving a manual here is interesting, to say the least. I mean, it's not even like when I first started driving this car. This was my first manual car. I don't know what to expect driving that shit in New York. I don't know what to freaking expect. I mean, look at what they're doing, you know. But, you know, you could just hang in neutral like this, and you're good. Basically. Like, you're good. Like, you just sit. Usually you're just sitting in traffic anyway. Especially during, like, actual, like, peak hours or whatever. But, you know, it's New York, so everything's fucking peak hours. But it's not, you know, they honk at you, you know, it's whatever. Yeah. But yeah, this is the way over to the 3rd Avenue Bridge that takes you to Manhattan. Watch them honk at me. That takes you to Manhattan without paying any tolls from upstate, you know, Westchester, Connecticut, all those places. Some kind of, oh, they're selling watermelon, that's crazy. They really ride your ass in New York. I mean, it's worse in Jersey from what I've seen. Like, I literally saw so much road rage the first time I actually drove in Jersey on my own. There's so much road rage. I literally saw an actual fight. Like these dudes were actually fighting. Literally physically fighting in the middle of the road. Over traffic. Over sitting in traffic. They were both sitting in freaking traffic. So it's pretty insane. how aggressive Jersey drivers are. Not even New York drivers are that bad. Now we're in Manhattan. Simple as that. It's got a WRX. I don't even know anybody who really drives manual, who drives stick in New York City. There's no, there's no demand to, so it's like whatever. But like there's no real reason to. I mean, like right now it's fine. Like I'm driving fine. Like I'm not stressed out driving stick right now here. But when these roads, this is the FDR going through all of Manhattan. This road goes through all of the east side of Manhattan. And when this road gets more congested later on in the day, it gets way more congested. That's when it sucks. That's when it really sucks to drive stick here. And rate my driving. Let me know if I'm good or not. It's my first actual video of me talking. Yeah, there's Manhattan. These things. Now I'm in neutral. I don't know what year to go in. These guys are starting and all that. Who's making that sound? That's this guy. People's cars in New York are so fucked. They're so screwed up. Like, it could be like a decent car like that. I mean, that guy has CT plates, but people who drive in New York, their cars are just so out of it. Yeah, we're getting slowdowns now. So, that's neutral. They hard brake here. They will hard brake you. They will do that. Like they don't give a crap about anything. They will hard brake you. Absolutely. And they redid the roads too. It's pretty good. Because back then it was just like potholes. But the potholes will come back as winter comes. You have all these cars here, and they don't do a good job actually paving this stuff. But I think in Europe they do it way different. When I was in Europe, the roads are like straight, nice. They just redid the roads. These are the old roads, but these roads are only like a year old, and they're already fucked. They're already screwed up. So now we're in like Midtown, almost. And this guy's still here. Geez. I hate those holes. I don't know, like they're not even potholes, but they're just like drains or whatever, and they screw up your suspension. So now we're in like center of Manhattan. Driving here has been like actually not bad. Like ever since they did the congestion. What the hell is this guy doing? Jeez. It's always an Uber. It's always an Uber that screws everything up. They put the congestion pricing in, and then the roads became empty. Even this highway, even though I'm not paying it, I'm not paying the congestion being on this highway. They changed it, like they were gonna get rid of it. Some political stuff went on. They were gonna get rid of it, the congestion pricing. So then everyone went back on the road, even though they knew that, oh, we're actually gonna get charged. And that makes no sense. Like, you're still gonna get charged, but you think that because it's ending, you should go back on the road. That makes no sense. And so then it became empty, and then it became not empty. It's not empty now, obviously. There's a lot of people here, but driving a Miata here would be so bad. Trying to avoid these holes, the drains and all that. It's terrible. Unless you're not lowered. He's not lowered, so it's fine, I guess. That's Long Island City. But these people, they think like just low IQ robots. Like, oh, rule gonna change. Drive again. Like, it makes no sense. And so now, I don't even know, because I haven't really driven on this in a while. This is the first time. This is the morning. It's like 10 a.m. Is it 10 a.m.? 10:30? So, I don't know. It's fine now. I don't know how this is going to be at like 2 p.m., but whatever. Dude, that's a Tetris. It's a Tetris building. But honestly, when there's no traffic like this, jeez. What the hell is this doing to my suspension, bro? When there's no traffic like this, driving through New York is pretty fun. It's pretty fun. Save the roads. Besides the roads, of course, road quality, but besides that, it's fine. Like, you see nice views, Old Domino Sugar Factory, all that stuff from Greta Thunberg. You see a lot, so it's good. It's good for content. It's good for content farming. But the thing about it is, when it's this is the issue. When it's in New York, like when you're in New York and you're driving, that's nice. And it's quiet like this. That's when the swimmers come out. That's when the swimmers come out, and they will mack you. They will crash into you and leave. So the eyes always gotta be peeled for those. But you'll be able to see them because they'll be in your rear view mirror. Swerving all around. Swerving all around. But sometimes you can't see them because they're going too fast. So that's Brooklyn. Like right now, everyone's going the speed limit. Everyone's so like orderly when I'm recording. But when I don't record, the place is crazy. Roads are crazy. It's kind of insane. And we'll take you to the Brooklyn Bridge. I mean, it's a Sunday morning. You know, nobody's really gonna be out unless they're going to church or something. Sunday 10 a.m. You know, what's anyone doing, right? I hate it when they slow down like this. I really do. But yeah, the congestion pricing, how it works is you get off here, or you get off at any exit below, I believe, 96th Street? No. 72nd? I think 72nd. Or you get off here, right? It says congestion relief zone entrance. You get off there, you're getting charged. Like, if you don't have an easy pass, it'd be like, yeah, $12 just to drive through. That's kind of bad. Do I agree with it? No. Yeah. Like, what reason I have to drive here? In the actual borough. What reason do I have? I don't have any reason. Like, the only reason I could see is like people like this guy from New Jersey who's going really slow. Who like don't have access to train, like mass transit or whatever, right? And so they have to drive here. They have to park at a garage. Or maybe they work in Manhattan and they work next to the tunnel, the New Jersey tunnel or whatever, right? They work in that New Jersey tunnel thing. And so they have to drive. Like, it makes more sense. But that tunnel's always backed up anyway. I don't know. There are instances where you have to drive in Manhattan, I guess. I get it. But give those people who actually have to work a discount. That's my political philosophy with this. Give those people discounts like they do with the Staten Island people. The people who commute from Staten Island to Brooklyn, they have to go through that toll that's $17 or something one way. Those people get discounts because they live in Staten Island, and you can't leave Staten Island unless you pay the toll. So it's kind of crazy. So give those people a discount, like you do to the Staten Island people, or just make it free for them. You know, write down the license, put certain plates who have to work in Manhattan. Make them exempt to that rule. You know, that's all I have to say about it. Write in the comments what you think. You know, I'll reply. Maybe. Alright guys, thank you for watching, and have a good one.